Ever wish there was a quick, portable fix for those overwhelming emotions that creep up on you? Enter emotional freedom technique, aka EFT, or tapping as most people call it. It's like acupuncture but without the needles and helps you shift your emotional baggage without booking a therapy appointment. So, what is EFT? It's ancient acupressure with modern psychology. It sounds fancy, but in reality, it's as simple as tapping on specific points on your body while saying things that bring your emotions into focus. These points are connected to energy pathways or meridians in the body, the same ones that are targeted in acupuncture. Just that instead of needles, here you use your fingertips to physically and emotionally tap out negative feelings. The words used help the mind and body accept the emotions you are feeling, which has this effect of unlocking the body's internal calm system. Whether it's exam stress, work panic, or post breakup blues, EFT is effective for all your life situations. It works by helping you face the emotions you are experiencing, gently accepting them and releasing them through the purposeful tapping. By focusing on what's bothering you while tapping, EFT helps release stuck energy and brings you back into balance. It works like a body and mind reset. It's actually like your emotional first aid kit. The first thing you do when you feel an overwhelming emotion, when you use it right. You can tap out exam panic, the whole post a fight with your best friend, stress over work deadlines, or any situation at all which brings up unwanted emotions. The best part? You can use it anywhere on your couch, in your car, outside in a park, in the class, or even mid binge watch session. So here's a step by step guide to tapping like a pro. Step 1 is to identify the emotion. Take a deep breath and ask yourself, what am I really feeling? Is it anxiety, anger, sadness, frustration, pain, hurt? Whatever it is, call it out. Step 2, map the emotion in your body. Notice where it lives in the body. Is it a tightness in your chest, a lump in your throat, a weight in your stomach? Pinpointing it makes the process more effective. Step 3, rate it. On a scale of 1 to 10, rate how intense this emotion feels right now. Don't judge it, just make a note so that you can track as this rating goes down. Step 4, and this is a very important step, is to create your magic statement. Here's the formula. It starts with, even though I'm experiencing this, and here you insert the emotion, anxiety, sadness, pain, hurt, as a, insert the physical sensation, heaviness at my chest, pain in my arm. Still I choose to love and accept myself. These examples will make it easier to understand. So if it's exam stress, even though I'm experiencing this anxiety about my exam as a knot in my stomach, still I choose to love and accept myself. Post breakup sadness can be expressed as, even though I'm feeling so much pain, like a heaviness in my chest because of this breakup, still I choose to love and accept myself. Furious after a fight, even though I'm feeling this anger like a constant buzzing in my head, still I choose to love and accept myself. It's not about the perfect wording, it's just about being true to what you're actually experiencing. Finally, it's now time to tap. So you'd be tapping gently with your fingertips on these key points while repeating your statements. Here are the points. The karate chop point, top of your head, your eyebrow point, the side of your eyes, under your eyes, under your nose, the chin point just below your lip, your collarbone, and under your arm. And then the cycle starts again with the karate chop on the head, over the eyebrows, side of the eyes, under the eyes, lip, chin, collarbone, under the arm. You get the drift. So do this cycle 3-4 times and then take a pause to check in on how intense the same emotion feels on that scale of 1 to 10. You'll notice that the intensity starts to drop. You continue this process cyclically till the emotion feels like a 1 or a 2 on the scale. The beauty of EFT is in its simplicity, but its impact can be profound. Regular practice can teach you to work around life's challenges with more calm and confidence. So the next time life throws you a curveball, take a deep breath, tap it out, and watch as those big feelings become way more manageable. Emotional freedom is literally at your fingertips with a tool like EFT.